Twitter has started acting against offensive accounts a day after a stern warning came by. Jail and penalty threat came in from the centre. Twitter now suspends 2 accounts of Tractor to Twitter, the campaign that was initiated, which are allegedly spreading objectionable content and misinformation on the farmers' stir. The government had yesterday threatened penal action against the microblogging platform if it failed to block handles spreading misinformation claiming farmer genocide. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had threatened to slap sections of the IT Act, which could result in up to 7 years of jail for Twitter India officials and a financial penalty on the firm. Centre's 5-page notice is strongly worded and says that hashtag on genocide was posted on Twitter and was designed to inflame passions, hatred and misinformation. And we cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more details on that. Aishwarya, if you can take us through what exactly was the warning that the government gave to Twitter. We understand the government has also given out a list of accounts to Twitter. About 150 odd of accounts have been given to Twitter where the government claims that these accounts have been spreading misinformation and hate and promoting misinformation on farmer genocide and whatnot. Twitter hasn't reacted as yet, but now we hear that 2 handles have been pulled down. What about the rest of them?
Well, Twitter is still working on it. Let me give you the exact number. The exact number of Twitter handles which the government wants the Twitter to take down is 257. In fact, Twitter had taken down a couple of those accounts, but they restored them, citing freedom of speech. Now, what Twitter has done, they have taken down tweets of Kangana Ranaut. 2 tweets have been taken down over the past couple of hours, and Twitter says Kangana Ranaut's tweets, in fact, were a violation of their policy. In Twitter's policy, very clearly, they mentioned if there are tweets which can lead to some kind of riots, all those will be taken down. This is very clearly spelled out in Twitter's rule book, and Twitter has cited those while taking down Kangana's tweets. The government has also asked Twitter to take action on the remaining of the accounts as soon as possible. The government said under Section 69A of the IT Act, that is when a jail term of up to 7 years can also be leveled on Twitter employees. This is what the government has warned Twitter with. Twitter has taken down Kangana's tweets. The remaining, we still need to wait and watch what Twitter does. But yes, they are saying whatever Kangana Ranaut tweeted was in direct violation with what Twitter stands for.
Thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details. Now,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.